kneel. She kneeled.
Knelt. This is a past tense.
Knelt.
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 Knelt. She knelt her and looked at the Mrs. Torres garden beds where vegetables were missing.
Aha. Okay. What's that?
Kneel.
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 Knelt.
Not the
Prisoner.
Kneel.
Kneel. The prisoners were ordered to kneel. Verb.
Aha.
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 Aha. Use when something is suddenly seem funny or found or understood.
Aha. Okay. For example,
Aha.
someone says something, you don't understand it, and then you just think, and eventually figure out. So it's aha.
Aha.
Okay.
Aha.
Aha. Aha. And knew it was you.
Aha.
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 Perspective.
A-H-A. Aha.
Okay.
Aha. The letters. Leaves were
Neatly. Very neat. Okay, neatly is adverb. Neatly, you see. What's that?
aha.
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 Aha. Used when something is suddenly seem funny.
Found.
Found or understood. Aha, I knew it was you.
Neatly. Okay. Neat is adjective.
Neat.
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 Okay.
Free from
Dirt.
and
Disorder. Okay.
Keep a room neat.
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 Okay.
Adjective.
Okay. You see, the opposite in neat is what?
Messy.
Good. Okay, neat. Messy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The lettuce leaves were
Neatly cut and strange Y-shaped
tracks.
Tracks.
Tracks. It could mean other things. People knew something. Tracks. Here doesn't mean that. Okay. Y-shaped tracks.
And between the beds.
Okay, the different patch and different paths. Y-shaped track. Not this one. Y-shaped tracks needed between the beds. Espresso.
Expression about animal pets.
Prints. Prints.
Pets.
Okay, the animal walk, then leave the prints. Animal prints. Okay. Animal prints. What's that?
Neat.
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 What's the opposite of neat?
Neat and neat and messy. Messy.
What's the opposite of neat?
Messy.
Okay.
Print.
Pent.
Print.
Pent.
Print.
Pent.
Okay.
Um,
Mark.
a mark made on the surface of something
Okay.
such
Print. Footprint.
footprint. A muddy footprint. A muddy print on the sidewalk.
Okay. Sidewalk. Footprint. Print. Okay. Can spell.
P-R-I-N-T print.
Okay. Here it says animal print. Is Brenda thought about the animal?
Prints. She knew reptile habits. She told the neighbors. Some neighbors wanted to keep the rabbits away, but others said animals needed food too, and everyone worked together to put small
Why?
fences around the vegetables. They also planted extra lettuce. Lettuce.
What's this?
Lettuce.
What's that?
Print.
Print.
Print. Print.
Print.
Print.
Print.
Print. Now. Footprint.
Lettuce.
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 What's this?
Lettuce. Everyone. They also planted extra lettuce outside the new
Fences.
fences for their ugly,
Hungry.
hungry
Visitors.
visitors.
What are the hungry visitors?
They eat
They rabbits.
Rabbits. Visitors. Visitor.
You visit. Someone come here to visit you. What's up?
This.
lettuce,
Lettuce.
lettuce,
Lettuce. Lettuce.
lettuce,
Lettuce.
lettuce,
Lettuce. Lettuce.
Visitor.
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 Visitor. Someone who visitors.
Visits.
Visits. Someone who visits a person or place. We are
Expecting.
expected visitors.
Okay. The
The
museum.
Gets visitors from all over the world.
Visitor.
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 Can spell.
VISITOR. Visitor.
Okay, visit. Okay, if you don't have OR, that's visit is a verb. Visit a place. Okay. Okay. So they also plant extra lettuce outside the new fences for the hungry visitors.
Now, both the neighbors and the rabbits were happy. What is the other's purpose and main message in this text? The other wants to entertain readers with a story about how neighbors can work together to solve problems. The other wants to inform readers that rabbits eat vegetables from gardens and
Cows.
cows problems. The other wants to entertain readers with a story about how working alone is better than asking for help. The other wants to inform readers about the difference between the tracks animals make.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay,
Summit.
yeah.
Summit.
Okay, we just finished reading some. Okay.
Do you have trouble with shoelace?
Yeah. Shoelaces.
Shoelaces.
Okay. How to tie it, basically, they tell you. Yeah. What's that?
Visitor.
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 Shoelace. Shoelace. Shoelace.
Shoelace.
Okay, can spell.
SHOELACE. Shoelace.
Okay, shoelace. Okay, do you have trouble with the shoelaces?
Shoelaces. Well, in 1941, a
Swiss. Inventor.
Inventor.
We stop here.